weeks ago, Urban County Council members unanimously voted to appropriate $1 million to contract with an organization called Undue Medical Debt. Undue Medical Debt is a national nonprofit founded by debt collectors. Instead of collecting, Undue Medical Debt is focused on forgiving that debt. They buy debt from hospitals and hospital systems as well as secondary market at scale.
We are able to buy that debt for pennies on the dollar, and then we abolish it and let people know that their debt was relieved via letter in the mail.
Lexington Vice Mayor Dan Wu says federal cuts to the healthcare sector prompted this action.
We just thought it was very important right now to help the residents of Fayette County get out of this burdensome medical debt.
No application or sign up are needed to qualify. Your income has to be 400% of the poverty level or below, or your total debt is 5% or more of your total income. This is for Fayette County residents only, and it's expected to help 32,000 people erase a total of $90 million of medical debt. Vice Mayor Wu fell into medical debt about 10 years ago when he broke his leg and didn't have health insurance.
It was a real eye-opening experience to see the bills. I'm telling you, you've never felt stress the way that you've seen an itemized medical bill.
And speaking of an itemized bill, Dr. Lee Dossett, the chief medical officer at Baptist Health Lexington, says the cost of medical supplies is on the rise, higher than regular inflation. He says in some cases, patients will look at those costs and hesitate to seek care.
As a physician, I've heard many times that they didn't want to come in because they're afraid of the cost that they're going to get or the cost of an ambulance.
We asked Georgetown Mayor Bernie Jenkins if his city would get involved with undue medical debt on a smaller scale to help his residents.
And when you come to helping people who are in need, yeah, I can see that, try to help with that. But again, where's it going to come from? Are you going to tax somebody else to make this happen? Then somebody would say, well, why are you taxing me to help somebody else? I'm fighting the same battles they are.
There is no exact timeline when the abolishment will start. In Lexington, with photojournalist Darnell Crenshaw, I'm Madison Carmouche.